Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 12, upload a folder to your account. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to a folder that contains documents. We will create that in this tutorial. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down onto the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome. In this case, now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Let's now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on all the applications. Scroll to all apps. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen to explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. Let's now click on this and wait for this to load. Once that has loaded, we can now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, locate a few files that we wish to copy and paste into a brand new created folder, which I'll do right now on the desktop. Right click, new folder. Let's call this folder Yammer. Take a document as well as a PDF file, highlight, right click, and copy to items. Let's close Finder. Let's open up the Yammer folder. And now let's paste into this folder. Right click, paste to items. There we go. So we now know that this folder has two documents in there that we will be uploading to our Yammer account. If we now go down to the dock, go to Google Chrome, go to all company within my communities, go to files. And now in the previous tutorial or tutorials, we have uploaded a Word document, a PDF file, presentation, as well as an Excel file. In this tutorial, we are looking to upload a full folder. So let's just click on Yammer, upload. This will upload all files from Yammer. Only do this if you trust the site, absolutely. Upload. And there we go, the Yammer folder, which contains the documents that we created and added to the folder, have all now been uploaded to Yammer. So that's how you create a folder with documents and upload to your Yammer account. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.